In this lesson, we will see together the direct object pronouns, but more precisely, the pronoun vous. So what are the direct object pronouns? I really invite you to have a look at my video covering this topic because it's quite precise and detailed. But then to make it short, the direct object pronouns in French are used to replace nouns that are directly acted upon by the verb. And the second thing that is important, the nouns are acted upon by the verb without any preposition. So there is no preposition between the verb and the nouns. In this lesson, we will concentrate on vous. And the direct object pronoun vous is translated to you or to you in English, depending on the context. Remember that vous can be used for masculin, féminin, singulier et pluriel. So we will have 4 examples. Je vous vois demain. Je vous vois demain. Elle vous appelle ce soir. Elle vous appelle ce soir. Le directeur vous invite demain. Le directeur vous invite demain. La serveuse vous sert rapidement. La serveuse vous sert rapidement.